What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to just jump right into this tutorial. I'm going to be doing a set of some marble nails. So right now I am going in with this D&D gel polish, and it is in the color hazelnut. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to all of the nails. So all of these nails will be this one color. So per usual, I'm just going around the cuticle and the sidewalls with my cleanup brush and some acetone just to get any gel polish that may have gotten on the skin. So I do apply 2 coats of that D&D gel polish in the color hazelnut. So now I'm just going in with a regular polish. This is important. I am using a regular polish to do the marble effect. So I'm just taking a fine nail art brush and I'm just making random lines on the nail. And as you can see, I'm kind of wiggling the brush to kind of make them so they're not super straight. And yeah, this is a regular gel polish, and it is also a D&D color, and it is in the color Snowflake. So again, I'm using a regular polish and I'm using white. You can use any color that you want to achieve this look, but we wanted to go for a white subtle look. So like I said, I'm just using a fine nail art brush, dipping that into some white regular polish, and I'm just wiggling the lines randomly on the nail. So after that, I go in with a flatter nail art brush, dip that in some acetone and make sure it's not dripping wet, and then you're literally just going over those lines that you just created to spread out that regular polish to give it a more smoky effect. Okay, so again, I'm going back in with a thin nail art brush, and then this time I'm just making those lines a little bit thinner. I am gonna go back in with the flat nail art brush to kind of spread that polish out some, but I'm just creating lines so I can give it some depth, but also not wanting them to be too thick. This is one of those designs that you just kind of have to play with. You do little or more just depending on what look you're trying to go for, but I basically kind of just put the lines on, I spread them out with the acetone, and then I add my other lines, and if those lines are too thick, then I spread those out. And it's kind of just a repetitive process just to get the marble how you would like it to look. So once I get the desired look, I go over each nail with some gel top coat, and I'm going to be curing this for 30 seconds because I will be adding chrome to the top of the nails with the marble on them. And I'm using that mermaid chrome. I'm not using holographic chrome. It's like a white pearlish looking chrome, and that's going to give it that, I don't know, that look. So again, I do cure these nails for 30 seconds. Any longer than that, the chrome will not stick to the nail. So I'm going in with this makeup wedge sponge, and I just dip that into the chrome powder and just buff that into the whole nail. Once that chrome is applied, I'm gonna go ahead and add the clear gel top coat to the nails with the marble on them, and I am not gonna cure it. So I'm gonna add my gold foil flakes while the top coat is still wet, so it can kind of sink into that gel top coat, because I will be curing this and then going back over it with another layer of gel top coat. same thing for the other hand. I'm still doing the same marble effect, except for I'm going to be doing 3 nails instead of 2. So again, I'm going in with my thin nail art brush using a regular white nail polish, and I'm just making random lines on the nail, wiggling my brush in the process. And again, this does not have to be uniform. You can do as many lines as you want, as little lines as you want. You can make them go one direction, you can make them go another direction. It's all on how you want the outcome to be. So I'm gonna do that same thing. After I do the lines, I'll go back over it with a flat nail art brush dipped in acetone so I can get that spread out look, and then go back in to define any lines that I need to. And I do apologize for this angle. It is not the best angle. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to have my phone positioned so it's not in the way when I'm doing my client's nails. So just bear with me. I'm going to get it together. So since I'm not encapsulating these nails at all with any type of acrylic, I do go back over the nails that I applied the chrome and the gold flakes on, and I go back over that with the same gel top coat that I use, just so I can go ahead and make sure that those flakes are secure and that they don't move or come off or anything like that. So this is the finished look. I think these by far are my favorite nails. The chrome and the gold flakes and the marble, they just hit. So please like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to do my best to upload as many videos as I can, but don't forget to hit that like button, share this with your peoples, and I hope to see you guys next time.